Greetings class. Let us start our next project, which is a transporter. Transporter is used to transport heavy material from one place to another. You can see in your area, in highways you have seen tractors. Tractors are also come in a category of transporters. They are also used to transport heavy items, heavy materials, or any kind of material from one place to another. So let us start with a very first step, in which you need to take two C bar and place one medium plate on it. Now come to second step. You need to place two small C bar in the center of this medium plate as shown in the figure. Now the C bar you have placed in step number 2. Now you need to place wheel with the help of a shaft in it. Shaft is used to is a rotating part attached to the motor. Shaft is very common in our vehicles like cars, trucks. There is also a shaft between your wheels. Your wheels are attached to each other with the help of a shaft. Now you need to place motor in the opposite direction of the wheel you have placed in the step number 3. In case of DC motor, electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. That is one form of energy to the another. Not in the case of DC motor only. In every motor like synchronous motor, induction motor, every motor converting electrical energy into a mechanical energy. But if you see the case of generator do opposite thing. It convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay. Now come to our project. It is step number 5. Now you need to place wheel with the attached to wheel with your motor. Now come to step number 6. You need to place a L small bar as shown in the figure. Now let us come to step number 7. You need to place one more motor with the L bar you have just placed in the step number 6 with it. Make a separator. Now this separator is usually made up of a plastic. Okay. Now come to step number 9. It is a shaft locker. It is used to lock the shaft. This part has a square shaped hole in the center to lock the cylindrical shaft. Okay class. Now you need to place a hook with the hole present in the shaft as shown in the figure. Step number 10. Now come to step number 11. You need to place an axial lock with the shaft locker as shown the figure. Now come to 12th part. You need to you separately made this one. You need to have a small plate and place one L-shaped bar on it. Now we are making the carrier part of our transporter. Our main part, our machine is done here. Now we are making our carrier part. Place another L bar shape as shown in the figure. Do the same thing opposite to the previous one. Now come to 15th step. In this step you need to place two ranker plate as shown in the figure and pass two small shaft through it as shown in the figure. In the step number 16. Action in the rotating action in any electrical or mechanical equipment is due to the presence of that shaft. As I've already mentioned that. In the step number 17, you need to place two gear here. Gear are the device which can be used to transfer a rotating torque from one machine to another. These gear are very common in factories also, where some rotating mechanism is working, like in the factory of sugarcane, etc. So gear are very common in factories also. Now place two axial lock so that they cannot come outside from that shaft. Now in step number 19, it is the straight bar for the transmitting motion, the torque. It's twice the force. We are talking to this shaft. Now your project is completed. The project should look like this. Have you enjoyed this? Place the hook we have placed in the previous step. You need to tug in with this step, this shaft, which we have covered in step number 19. Okay. Thank you, class. Happy learning. Enjoy learning. Goodbye.